Yes, student. Next chemical reaction of amines is one of the very important reaction. This is diazotization reaction. Student, remember in the chapter of haloalkane and haloarine, the Sandmeyer reaction was given. Okay, for haloarine. Okay, the main basis of those reaction is of this chapter. What? Diazotization reaction. Okay, when aromatic amine, aromatic amine, aromatic amine, that is, you can call it simply what? Aniline, is reacted with cold solution of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. Okay, which hydrochloric acid? Dilute hydrochloric acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin. This is actually what? 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius temperature, forms benzene diazonium chloride salt. Okay, this is known as diazotization. This is known as diazotization reaction. It is one of the very important reaction of this chapter. Aniline. So what? Phenylamine or aniline, when reacted with NaNO2 plus dilute HCl. Okay, actually NaNO2 plus dilute HCl, it very first produces what? HNO2. This is called what? Nitrous acid. Therefore, in this reaction, sometimes it is written nitrous acid. Okay, so don't be confused. The most important thing is what? The temperature, 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. It forms benzene diazonium chloride salt. Okay, this is N, double bond N, and this is what? Cn, plus and minus sign. This compound is called benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. But student, if the temperature is higher, then the compound will decompose. Therefore, if we have to perform this reaction, that is, we have to form diazonium salt, then we must have to maintain that temperature. But if temperature is higher, then the compound will decompose. And will form what? Phenol. This question is asked in first duty exam. Getting? If you remember how it is, this is benzene diazonium chloride salt and NCl. Okay, plus HOH. Temperature what? Higher than 278 Kelvin. Then this compound is getting decomposed and it forms alcohol, phenol plus N2 plus HCl. Getting? So this is the differences. Second one, aliphatic amine. Aliphatic amine, that is, if you take the example of C2H5NH2, okay, on reaction with cold nitrous acid forms alcohol directly. alcohol directly. That is, here the diazonium chloride do not form, but here it forms alcohol C2H5 NH2 plus HNO2 at the same temperature 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius. It forms C2H5OH alcohol plus N2 plus H2O. So this is the difference between the aliphatic amine and aromatic amine. What? Aliphatic amine directly forms alcohol at the same temperature, while this forms benzene diazonium chloride salt at this temperature, but if the temperature is higher, then it will form phenol. Student, the same reaction is given by secondary and tertiary amine. Secondary and tertiary. Okay, aliphatic as well, aromatic amine as well. Aromatic amine also reacts with cold nitrous acid. This one is called nitrous acid, HNO2. Cold nitrous acid. Okay, and forms compound. So you can take it as assignment. Okay, that is what you have to write reactions and you have to write the name of compound. Here nitroso-like compound is formed. Getting? The compound form will be with secondary amine, with aliphatic amine, it will be normal nitroso diethylamine, and if aromatic amine is there, then it will form N nitroso N methyl aniline. With the tertiary amine, the compound form with aliphatic tertiary amine will be triethyl ammonium nitrite, but if it is aliphatic compound like aliphatic tertiary amine, then the compound will be para nitroso N dimethyl aniline. This is a green color, and above compound that is with secondary, it will be a yellow oil. So this will be the distinguished taste between them.